Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can optimize images in your WordPress website for better speed and performance. So now let me log in into my WordPress website. Then let me click on login button. And now let's go to WordPress dashboard in plugin sections. Here you can see add new plugin. Now here I need to type a keyword TinyPNG. So this one TinyPNG plugin. Here you can see 1 lakh plus active installations and 4.8 star ratings. So just you can install this plugin and it can speed up your website and optimize your images that are in JPG, PNG and WebP images. So just you can activate this plugin. Now you need to create a free account. Just you can go here and here you need to add your name and then email. So I can copy it and after that let me click here register account. So now we need to activate account. Just you can go here, verify your account and then you need to find out API key. Scroll down. So you can generate a new API key. Alright, this one you can copy any of these. So here you can see this one copied and now let me go back. Then click here. So guys, now here you can see account is connected. So in a free plan we can do 500 compressions. So if you have a large website that has thousands of images, then you can upgrade. Now scroll down and here you can check these options. So it will compress new images in the background and it can also compress new images during upload. So when you are uploading new images, then it will automatically compress that. Then scroll down. Here you can select the image size to be compressed. So you should check all of these. Then scroll down. If you want to resize images to the custom size, then you can change and set these values. Then after that click on save changes. So guys, in this way you can easily do image optimization in your WordPress website. Then after that, if you want to check your website speed, just you can go Google page speed. This one, just you can copy your website link and add here. So you can use free website analyzation. So guys, here you can see my website speed is perfect, 99%. So thank you for watching video. For more videos and updates, please subscribe my YouTube channel.